Hi, Annabelle. Are you being a good girl now? Are you happy? You feel better? Yes? You feel better, don't you? Yes, you are chewing on your little bone. Yes. Happy girl compared to yesterday. You sweet baby, the tail is wagging. Yes. My good girl. Annabelle. This is my blue-eyed baby. That's my blue-eyed baby girl. She had a bath today. She's all nice and pretty. Yes.